Hi dear friends, this video refers to a crocodile type nozzle which is worn on a multimeter test probe. This nozzle came in this transparent package without bubble tape, but as you can see, nothing damaged. All is okay. Let's look closer to this item. It came for 15 days from China to Ukraine without any problems, without delays, and absolutely free. The quality of this nozzle is very good, especially considering the price. The spring provides good clamping. The teeth are not skewed. So I can say for the price it's a great item, and it can be very useful when you need test some electrical circuits and you need free hands. You can just clamp this probe with this nozzle and you can do your job. You can find this nozzle in Banggood store. Thank you. Bye.